Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to my Robinhood portfolio. As always, hope you guys had an awesome day investing today. You can see kind of an up and down market with my portfolio. It really has to do, I think, with the presidential inauguration taking place today. Very strong early morning trading here, up $155 at one point, and trending down early afternoon to $144 before kind of trending back up before close, and then after hours trading very strong there. Really pushed me back into the green today, so very happy about my portfolio. Overall, the three major indices were in the green today. S&P 500 was up 0.34%, Nasdaq was up 0.28%. The Dow 30 was up almost 95 points, 0.48%. And as I scroll through my portfolio, you can see a lot of stocks in the green today. So a very strong market. Of note here on the bottom, PIP, I talked about this in a couple videos the other day, rebounded very nicely today. $3.4 is where it's sitting now, 4.76% up with another 3.03 in after hours trading, so almost 7.8% up today. As you guys remember, it kind of trended down here the other day with the company merger with one of its competitors. So very interesting stock. As you guys know, a $2.91 dividend is coming out with that stock. So I think there could be a lot of money made with this stock if you're so bold as to put a little bit of capital into this stock. A very risky play, but has the potential for being a very good play. Kind of what I want to do today is talk a little bit about how I put money into my portfolio. A lot of you guys have been asking what my philosophy is behind that. I have put out a few videos talking about dollar cost averaging as well as value cost averaging. Find those videos. It really goes into detail of what I'm talking about. But essentially, the key component is simply putting in money on a very regular interval. So my portfolio, I like putting in money weekly, but putting in money monthly as well would be a very strong strategy. And kind of thinking about that, I did some calculations to kind of give you an idea what kind of portfolios you can have. A very easy way of doing this is taking how much money you save per month and considering rate of return of about 6%. That's very reasonable over 30 years. And to do the calculation, you simply take whatever you save per month times 1,000. So for example, if I saved $100 per month, again, assuming a 6% rate of return over 30 years, I'd have $100,000 at the end of 30 years. And what's nice about this calculation is you simply take whatever you save per month times 1,000. So 100 times 1,000 is 100,000. If I saved $500 a month, again, take that times 1,000, I would have a $500,000 and some change. It's a little bit more than $500,000, but $500,000 at the end of 30 years. If I saved $800 per month, simply take that times 1,000, I would have $800,000 at the end of 30 years. And if I were able to save $1,000 per month at the end of 30 years, I would have $1 million. So very quick and easy way of kind of calculating what you could make over 30 years. Again, assuming a 6% rate of return, which is very reasonable. I've been exceeding that with my Robinhood portfolio with actually limited investment knowledge. As I learn more and have some more sophisticated investment strategies moving forward, I think I'll be able to improve on that. So I think it's very reasonable. But again, a very easy way of calculating what you can save over 30 years. Again, assuming 6% rate of return, 30 years, simply take whatever you save per month times 1,000. And that's what you'll have at the end of 30 years. So kind of a cool little way of calculating that. So yeah, let me know what you guys did with your portfolios today. You guys have been giving me some great video ideas, so thank you very much about that. Hopefully I can put out some of these videos over the next couple days here or so. Also, a few great stock suggestions. I'll definitely be following up a few of those stocks. Maybe even add some of those to my portfolio. I won't spoil the video, but there's a few very cheap stocks that are having some good dividends coming out. So I may put a video about that, kind of like what I did with PIP on the bottom of my portfolio. But yeah, just let me know what you guys are doing moving into this next year. Now that the president-elect is now in office, we'll kind of see how the markets respond to that. I think it's going to be fairly strong for the next few months or so, unless something silly comes out of the White House, which, you know, considering the candidate we have in, may happen. But don't really want to jump too far into that. I think it's going to be a strong market nonetheless. I think it's going to be a very pro-business administration, so kind of looking forward to that. But give me your opinions on what you guys think is going to be happening over the next year. So kind of with that, I'll end the video. As always, if you enjoy my videos, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. Building the channel. Hopefully you guys have been learning a little bit, as I learned a ton over the last 3 months or so. Hopefully we can kind of continue this and make a little money moving forward. So again, if you guys have any good suggestions for me, let me know. Otherwise, I'll see you next video.